Crafty Angels. Nessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm here with a project share I did with Mrs. Gigi on her channel on Wednesday, February 23rd, 2022. And we play a prompt game. And I think we played two rounds that day. And I decided to make it all on one card to see the outcome. So the prompts for the two rounds, I'll read both sets. Round one was green or violet. Number two, something from your left to your left or something from to your right. Okay. Number three is circles or squares. Number four is doodles or dots. Number five is binder clip or vase. Number six is safety pin or bulb, B-U-L-B, pin. Number seven is charms or paper clip. I'm going to turn this over so y'all don't see it just yet. Round number two. Number one. Painty paper or splatters. Number two, border or frame. Number three, crayons or stickers. Number four is something from the kitchen, foil. Number five is felt or mesh. Number six is measuring tape or scotch tape. Number seven is old jewelry or an ornament. Okay, that's the prompts for both rounds. And now I will show you my project. Came out a bit of a hot mess, but that's all right. So that's my project for these two rounds. And we play this every Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday at 10 Eastern Time on Mrs. Gigi's channel, which I will link down below in the comment section. And Thursdays on my channel at 10 Eastern. And I will link all that down below. Okay? So, I want to thank you all for watching. Please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe, be blessed. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.